Hey guys, so we're going to be choosing fidgets for my vacation. Don't mind the background, my dad is watching TV and I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so I thought to make this video. And don't worry guys, I will be posting videos on my vacation. Not about fidgets all the time though. We're going to be doing other fun stuff that I want to post about, not just fidgets, because I want this YouTube channel but be about a lot of things, not just fidgets and stuff like that. So first of all, I want to bring the emojis. The emojis I will bring: marble mesh, the spinner ball, the snappers, and the mini poppet, the infinity cube. No, red. These two. I want to bring these two. This black ball and the tomato stress ball, or beach stress ball. I want to bring the putty and the puzzle ball. So this is all I'm bringing. And I have a little container to put the little stuff in. So let's see if I can fit most of the stuff into this little container. So this is what I got to fit in here. And then these two I couldn't fit in there, so I'm just going to pack them like that. By the way, I'm sorry for my brother. He's just playing Fortnite with his friends. So yeah, this is all I could fit. This is all I'm going to take. And so bye.